What's up guys? This is Brian. I'm really excited today because this survey that I'm about to share with you actually pays you $100 for your time, okay? Per survey, which is unbelievable. I'm always looking for real legitimate surveys. Okay, so listen, time right now is very valuable. As long as you're seeing this here, this timer, and it's up and running, that means that this company by the name of Vindale Research right over here is actually going to be paying you. So it says here earn up to $100 per survey. This is unbelievable. Everyone knows me as a survey guy. I'm always doing research. What are the best surveys? Do they actually pay? Are they legit? Because I always hear people making money with surveys, and this company actually paid me $100. Now what you need to do in order to get that $100 is obviously you gotta get access right here. You're gonna put in your email. It's gonna redirect it to another page like this. Through this link, this is how you're gonna get the special promotion, okay? So it's very important that you follow the steps that I'm telling you. After you do that, you're gonna fill out all the information on the next page so that way they see that you're a real person, you actually exist, and you can review the products. Then they're gonna pay you $100. And they actually paid me through PayPal. So I'm actually gonna log in here and show you proof that they actually paid me $100. And this is really, really cool. Again, this promotion is not everywhere. And as you can see there, available balance $100. Now this is my account, as you can see here, Brian. This is my profile right here, and they're actually paying $100. So make sure you go through all those steps. As long as this timer is up and running, guess what? They're still handing out that promotion. So go ahead, get going, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.